take note of parents and guardians present in the auditorium. Once again, we welcome all of you to this annual day celebration. First of all, let's invoke Almighty for His blessings. For invocation, I invite school choir. Prakash Sir, Secretary of Noble Educational and Charitable Society, for the welcome speech. Sir, please.
Esteemed Chairman, Honorary Major Professor G.K. Pochi, who presides over this august function, our most distinguished guest who is to inaugurate this valedictory function, Sri M.B. Sukumaran Nair, renowned film director, Dr. Indra Babu, renowned poet and popular journalist, Dr. Bhuvanendran, Principal, Devasam Board College, Shastangota, Sri E. Vikraman Pillai, School PTA President, respected Principal, Dr. Sushma Mohan, other distinguished guests on the dais, dignitaries, colleagues, friends, my dear children. It is my proud privilege and great pleasure to extend and record our sincere welcome to all of you on the occasion of this great event, which in fact started 3 days ago in connection with the decennial celebration of this great institution, Lord's Public School. As you all know, our institution has passed 10 glorious years of functioning in the heart of this town. The decennial celebration was inaugurated day before yesterday by the Honorable Speaker of Kerala Legislative Assembly, Sri G. Karthikeyan. Since then, we have been witnessing the wonderful, incredible performance of our blooming talents here in this venue of the school. And today, the 3 days celebration events, of course it will continue for the next 1 year, but the inaugural ceremony and the Lord's Fest, which are clubbed together, are drawing to a close today by this evening. And on this auspicious occasion, it's my great pleasure to extend and accord welcome to the distinguished guest on the day. First, Honorary Major Professor G.K. Poti, whom need not be introduced to you because he is the constant and continuous inspiration of this institution and a great pillar of support to all of us. Though being a part of this family, customary to this function, I extend my wholehearted welcome to you, sir, Professor G.K. Poti. Next, our distinguished guest, the renowned film director, Sri M.B. Sukumaran Nair, who is known to you from the film world. He is an extraordinary film personality, directing high quality films like Kazhagam, which bagged National Award, and Avaranam, Drishtandam, etc. are very popular films of high quality. He is an alumnus of National Film and Television Institute, Pune, and for the last many years he has been working in the film world, and he has established his own artistic niche in the artistic world. And of course he can be ranked with our great directors like G. Aravindan, Adur Gopalakrishnan, like great artists like them. And we are extremely delighted to have you, sir, here with us today in this evening. And we are, our institution, and we are all blessed with your great presence here. And definitely your presence here will boost the film consciousness of our children of this school, and they will look upon you with a great expectations. And we are very fortunate to have you here, sir, to inaugurate this function on behalf of the management, on behalf of the teaching and non-teaching staff, and on behalf of the children, and on behalf of all of you who have assembled here, and on my personal behalf, I extend you, sir, a very warm, wholehearted welcome. Our distinguished guest, Dr. Indra Babu, who is to make the keynote address in this August function, is a renowned poet and journalist. He is now working in the daily Kerala Kaumudi, Malayalam daily Kerala Kaumudi, and he has bagged so many awards. He took his PhD in the study of the plays of Sri N.N. Pillai, the great playwright and dramatist, and he has bagged many awards. For example, Changambuzha Sahitya Puraskaram, Kunyandamyar Sahitya